you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can print in the MacBook. So let's just start. So first of all, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open the simply Google Chrome. So let's open this. I'm gonna click on this. As you can see, I have already opened the Google Chrome, and after opening the Google Chrome, simply what I'm gonna do, as you can see, you have to go to the menu bar, and after going to the menu bar, as you can see, has an option for the file. So we have to click on the file, and after clicking on the file, I'm going to scroll down, and after scrolling down, as you can see, in the end you will be able to see the print option. So if you want to click the print option from here, you can also do that, or if you want to print this through pressing a shortcut key, you can also do that. So simply you have to hold the command button, and after that you have to press the P, and after pressing the control P, I mean command P, the new tab will be open like this. So simply you have to make changes. You have to set your settings according to printing. For example, as you can see, has an option for the saved as a PDF. You have to select the printer from here, and after that simply you have to go to the here, that which pages you want to print, and after that simply, as you can see, has an option that you have to select the orientation, and some other settings are provided here in the more section. You have to click on the more. After doing these all settings, simply you need to hit the print button. Here you will be able to see the print button. After when you select the printer, you will be able to see the print button here, and then you have to click on that, and then simply your document will be printed. So in this way you can print a document in MacBook. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can print a document in MacBook. So see you guys in the next video.